is Ann Kepner. I'm a personal injury attorney in San Jose, California at the firm Needham, Kepner and Fish. Oftentimes, people in California believe that they've got 2 years to file a lawsuit after an accident has occurred, and that's, in many instances, that is the case. However, if you've been involved in an accident and the responsible party or the potentially responsible party is a public entity, such as a town, a city, a county, then you only have 6 months to bring your claim. And if you don't do so, you may lose your rights forever to bring a claim. So, particularly in cases where there have been catastrophic injuries that have led to paralysis, if somebody's died, you are contending with a lot of issues in your life. Life has changed dramatically. And you may be in a process of trying to adapt to the way life now is, or you're in the healing process, and maybe the last thing you want to think about is bringing an action to find out if somebody's responsible and owes you damages for what's happened to you or to your family. But I encourage you that, again, if it was an accident that potentially was due to the roadway configuration, a pothole that didn't get fixed, it could be a variety of different issues, that those need to be looked at by a lawyer, and it needs to be looked at by a lawyer soon after the accident. Recently, I represented a cyclist who had a very, very serious neck fracture that required multiple surgeries to repair. And he was riding his bicycle on a city roadway, and it turned out that the sewer grate was defective. He had ridden over the sewer grate believing it was safe to do so, and because of the defect in the sewer grate, he flipped over his handlebars and suffered a very serious neck fracture, as I said. It was important to get that case quickly and to pursue that case within the 6-month statute, because it turned out that there was a public entity, a city, that was responsible for the maintenance of those sewer grates in their city. And had he not brought that case or circumstance to me when he did, we may have lost the opportunity for him to recover for those serious injuries that, again, required multiple surgeries. He was no longer able to ride his bicycle, an activity that he absolutely enjoyed doing, and he wasn't able to work for a period of time. In fact, he left his employment earlier than he wanted to and retired early. So these accidents can be very serious, very life-changing, and we want to make sure that we've looked at, are all the responsible parties identified, and the ones that have these very short claim statutes, the 6-month claim statutes, that we meet them if it's important to do so.